Okay, I'm going to show you how to get Google File Stream. Google File Stream is so that you can work in the cloud for Google, and basically you're attaching to your drive. You can save files just like you would on your computer or whatever, but you can access them wherever you're at if you have Google File Stream. So if you go to my computer or this PC, if you don't have these folders down here on your computer or the search box, then I would right-click in a blank area on the taskbar and then go to the search toolbar. You should have the option to click on search, and then I think on the network computers it might be hidden, so you click show search option here. Okay. So again, yours might look a little different than mine. I'm not on the network right now. And then down here, I usually get it up by just starting to type in my down here in the search bar. And then it'll come up with, well, I did my this PC, and then you click on that. That will get you into this view here, which this is all of your what we call drives that you're connected to, the network drives and that sort of thing. Okay. You probably won't see the same ones that I have right now. That's okay. So the Windows is the C drive is designated to a hard disk on a computer. That means that when you save things on the C drive, it's just on that computer. So you don't necessarily want to save on there unless you have to, because if the computer takes a nosedive, then you've lost everything that you have. So to get Google File Stream like I do right here, this is connected to my drive. You're going to double click on Windows C and then double click on your program files. And then you should see a Google folder. Double click that. And then double click Drive File Stream. And then, I don't know, there's different folders with numbers. Just try the first one. And then if you see this Google Drive FS, this is the executable file, meaning the application file, and that's what you're looking for. If you don't see it, then I would go up here. This is called the path of this folder. I would go back to Drive File Stream and go into the other one and see if it's there. Okay? It's here also. Right. By the way, up here, this is called the path. These are folders. If you click up here, it shows you a path of this folder. C drive, program files, Google, Drive File Stream, and then the name. Notice there are backslashes separating the folders, and that backslash is right above your enter key, but this is called a path. By the way, another useful tool in your file area is if you're searching for a file, you can either search in this folder, or let's say I want to go back up to Google and search for a Drive File Stream, before I search for font and syllabus and whatever. But you can also let me go into here. You can, on these columns, if you're searching by name, you can click name and it'll alphabetize them for you. Okay, they're in alphabetical order right now. If you want to look for the most recent file that you've updated or whatever, you can search these. And if you click it once, it'll go backwards, and then again, it goes the other way, from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. If you want to search by type, you know what type of file you're looking for, then you can do that. Or size. If you're looking for the largest file, what's taking up all your space, you can do that. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go into Google File Stream. You're going to double click that. If it is not there, that Google Drive FS, that means that you don't have it loaded on your machine. If you're at home, you need to download Google File Stream. But if you're on a network and it's not there, you don't have the rights to load a program file on the network, so you would have to have them download it, would have to turn in a work order. But again, if you're at home, you can download it, and it's a really useful tool. So then once you get here, once it comes up, you're going to have to log in to Google the first time for it to come up. After that, you can double click My Drive, and this is all of your files and folders and whatnot that you have on your Google Drive. So you attach to things. Now, the benefit of going through it this way versus going through it just going to your Google Drive is that if I want to save a Word document in Google File Stream, it keeps it as a Word document. It doesn't change it. It doesn't ask me to upload it or open it in Google Drive. It keeps it as a Word document. So if I open this right now and I have Word on my machine, it'll open it up as a Word document and I save it as a Word document. So that's really the benefit of that. All right, so that's how you access Google File Stream. It is called a cloud, you're working in the cloud, and it is a cloud-based program, which means it's on a Google server somewhere.